Alright my friends, back at the spot and time for another tutorial. Sorry about that. So I thought let's do a Vannyroll. Make my Captain Vanover. He invented it, and I thought let's do a Vannyroll because a while ago we did the backwards flying, and the Vannyroll starts with flying backwards. Starts with a 180 yaw spin, of course, and then you fly backwards. We did, and then you make a roll, and you make the roll as low as possible, so you scrape the ground. So that's the Vannyroll. So let's see if we can do it for real. Here we go. Right, so that's how we start. A 180 yaw spin. And if you do that along a tree like this, you have also sort of a look back. Should be something like that, but then slower.
1 minute.
Something like that. I don't like it. It's not low enough. There you go, that's a nice Vannyroll. Almost, and you should continue flying backwards, so you should pitch more backwards. There you go. So, 180 yaw, stay low, and roll. Keep flying backwards. So that's Vannyroll, and it's one of the nice combinations you can make with flying backwards. Was a little bit too low, no problem. Let's try it again. Alright, change my battery.
3 minutes.
And thanks for watching again, and I hope you learned something today. Cheers. See you guys.